Long ago, in a village in Norfolk, lived a poor peddler named John Chapman. Children, Norfolk is a country in East Anglia in England. Norfolk is a country in England. So, in a village in Norfolk lived a poor peddler. Who is a peddler? Peddler is a person who sells from door to door or in the street. A peddler is a person who sells from door to door in the street. The name of the peddler is John Chapman. What's the name? John Chapman. One night, John dreamed that he would hear very joyful news if he went to stand on London Bridge. Joyful news, it means happy news. So he dreamt that if he goes and stands on London Bridge, he will hear a happy news. The next morning, John remembered his dream. But he thought, this dream cannot possibly come true. He thought it was weird that he lived in England and he will get a joyful news if he goes to London. How is it possible? That night and the following night, John had the same dream again. For 2 continuous nights, John had the same dream that he will hear a joyful news if he stands on London Bridge. At last, he decided to go to London Bridge and see what might happen. He made up his mind and he decided to go to London Bridge. Why did he go to London Bridge? Because he wanted to see what might happen. John Chapman walked all the way to London. John went to London by walk. From England to London, he went by walk. He stood on London Bridge for 2 or 3 days, looking around and waiting to hear some good news. He stood on London Bridge for 2 or 3 days. He was waiting for the good news.